Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best Dell Tablet Bluetooth 5.3 for students, the 2025 latest Android 14 tablet from KADYBE. If you're a student looking for a tablet that combines performance, connectivity, and value, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this. Let's start with the design. The KADYBE D106 tablet comes with a sleek 10.1-inch display housed in a black front and gray back casing that feels modern and refined. Right out of the box, it gives you the vibe of a productivity-focused device. It's not just the tablet though, the package is a full productivity suite. It comes bundled with a Bluetooth keyboard, wireless mouse, stylus, screen protector, charger, and even a protective case. That's a complete workstation, ready to go. Now, let's talk brains and speed. This tablet is powered by the Unisoc T606 octa-core processor clocked at 2.0 GHz. That means whether you're multitasking between note-taking apps, running research tabs, or even watching lectures in split-screen mode, this tablet can handle it without breaking a sweat. It's all made better by the generous memory, 14 GB of RAM. That's 8 GB physical plus 6 GB virtual memory. Combine that with 128 GB of internal storage and support for up to 1 TB via microSD, and you've got room for all your ebooks, class recordings, and more. On to software. This is one of the first tablets shipping with Android 14. That means smoother UI transitions, better security, more efficient battery management, and modern multitasking features like split screen and gesture-based navigation. And yes, the tablet is Google Play certified, so any app you need for school or entertainment is just a tap away. Speaking of entertainment, the display is a vibrant IPS panel with a resolution of 1280 by 800. It's sharp enough for reading PDFs, binge-watching shows, or scrolling through study slides. And when it comes to audio, dual-box speakers deliver well-balanced stereo sound. Whether you're attending Zoom classes or listening to music, you'll get clear, loud playback. Now let's address connectivity. This is where it really shines for students on the move. It supports dual SIM with 4G LTE, meaning you can pop in a SIM card and stay connected without hunting for Wi-Fi. And when Wi-Fi is available, it supports both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz bands, giving you more speed and range. Add Bluetooth 5.0 to the mix, or in this case, Bluetooth 5.3, and you've got a modern connection suite for all your accessories. Battery life is another win here. A 7000 mAh battery means you can go through a full day of lectures, note-taking, and browsing without constantly reaching for your charger. The USB-C port supports fast charging, so even when you're low on juice, it doesn't take long to get back to full power. And let's not forget cameras. You get a 13 megapixels rear and 8 megapixels front setup. While this isn't a photography tablet, these are more than capable for scanning documents, joining video calls, or snapping reference images during lab sessions. Lastly, support. This tablet includes lifetime customer service and a 1-year warranty for manufacturing defects. That means you're covered if anything goes wrong, which is something most budget tablets skip entirely. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest, in-depth product breakdowns. Got questions about the KADYBE tablet or want to see how it stacks up against other student tablets? Drop them in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.